So if you have ever wondered in the bylanes of the internet to search on how to remove password from a PDF file on your iPhone or your iPad, then look no further because I'm here. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Hardik. We are iGeeksblog, and before we move forward in the video, I want to make one thing very clear that we do not promote or recommend opening up or unlocking personal documents without proper authorization. Now that we are clear on this part, then let's first understand that if you know a password to a certain PDF, then how to remove that password so that you don't have to feed it again and again. For that, you'll need to download this app called PDF Element. Now once you are inside the app, you will go to the plus icon, you'll go to the files, and then you can select the file which is logged. I'll select this one, and since I know the password for this one, I'll go ahead and feed it in. And as you can see, my file has opened up. I'll go to three dots, I'll remove password. And as you can see, my password has been removed successfully. And now I can save it with a watermark. As you can see, this is the watermark which we get on the document. Nothing else apart from that. Now again, I'll go to the share option and I'll share by file. And now I can save this document in my files. Now I know that you get a watermark on your document over here, but if you think over it, then it's not a complete loss because you don't have to pay for the pro version, and now you don't have to feed your password again and again. And in fact, the best part, you can share it with as many people as you want and nobody else also has to feed in the password. And now is the time for my main act. I hope you guys are able to see a magic hat and a wand in my hands, otherwise this is all very stupid. So now we are going to talk about how to remove password from a PDF file on your iPhone or iPad. Now for that, you'll have to download this app called I Love PDF. Here you'll go to Tools. Over there, you'll go to Unlock PDF. I can go in my files again and select the document. And again, I'll select it over here and press on Unlock PDF. As you can see, it has been completely unlocked. I'll go to Files. I'll check the document. And as you can see, my document has been unlocked over here. I'll go to the Share option. I'll go to Open In. And there I can save it to Files. Now over here, there is one very important thing that you guys should note. The success rate of your PDF file opening up or unlocking depends upon the encryption strength of your document. Let's say if it's a bank document or a government document, you won't be able to open it with these kind of third-party softwares. You need to know the password for them. But for everything else, you have this app. And now is the time for the bonus trick. I hope there is a hat and a magical spell happening somewhere over here. Otherwise, again, it's very stupid. Now let's say you have a password to a certain PDF file, but you want to change the password. How to do that on your iPhone or iPad? I'll show you that now. For that, we'll be using this app again. Now let's say I want to change the password for this particular file. I'll unlock it first, and then I'll go to the three dots, and then I'll go to Change Password. Over here, I'll feed in the new password, and then I'll confirm it once again. And then I'll change it. And since we do not have the pro version, I'll save it with a watermark. And now when I want to open this document, I will only feed in the new password. Voila, the job is done. So that's all from my side. I hope I've covered everything from passwords to PDF. And in case I missed out on something, you want to know something else about passwords or PDF, then you can comment down below. Or in case I have missed out on something related to password or PDF, then also you can comment down below. So I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course, take care. God bless.